on what? Karil.
Distance, ma'am.
Sa kita nag-answer be? Raise your hand para matawag na ko. Nato nag-answer.
Try na ako ang distance, ma'am.
Sa?
Wala. We will
Distance, ma'am, sa velocity, ma'am.
calculate
Distance sa velocity, yes, it is
sa
dependent
katong
on what?
actually,
Why?
so,
If f of x is
mo
dependent
it being
on
solved
x,
or how calculus
the value
works.
of x,
Minus
the change of displacement is dependent on what?
So,
Time, ma'am?
point sa graph mo.
Point sa graph. Again, nato nakasapaw og answer. Ito isa.
Time, ma'am. Time.
Yes, time. So it is dependent on the value of time. That is why, so velocity is the change of displacement over time. And acceleration is the change of velocity, rate of change of velocity over time. So, meaning, this is a familiar expression, di ba? It's a derivation or differential. So, if the acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, therefore, pag mag-change, kung si velocity po, rate of change ni displacement, so, it means that acceleration is the second order nga rate of change ni displacement. Okay? Nakuha ninyo? So, this is a little a little trick we used para ma-remember na mo ang kani siya nga mga formula. And acronym ra ni siya. I call it SVAAVs. Okay, so kani differential. This one is integration. Okay? So sa differentiation, you have to first have a value of the displacement para makuha nimo ang value ni velocity. Kay imo man siyang i-derive. Displacement, derive it, first order differentiation niya is velocity. Dayon, si acceleration is the second order derivative of displacement. Nakuha ninyo? So, from displacement, kung mag-derive ka first, velocity na siya. Dayon, pag imo pag na siyang i-derive again, or i-derive niyo man siya ikaduha, ang displacement, you get acceleration. Okay? That's for differential. Balipod, integration is actually an opposite of differentiation. So, although dili ta mag-discuss ka ng integration, ako lang ni isingit because it's it falls under the same topic. So, sa integration, if pangayuan ka, what is the displacement? If your acceleration is like this. So, you integrate this once. Your acceleration, you integrate once, and you get velocity. If you integrate it twice, you get displacement. Nakuha? Hello? Na pa ba kayo estudyante?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so d squared s over dt. While this one is first integration of acceleration, and this one is second integration of acceleration. Okay? Sige. Let's have an example. Ito lang yung pagamihan. Sige. This is the problem. The position of a particle moving along x-axis is given by x equals t squared minus t plus 8, where x is in units of meter, this one is in meter, and t is in seconds. The question is, find the velocity and acceleration at t is equal to 5 seconds. Okay. Sige, who can tell me? Unsay first nga buhaton? Sige be. What I usually do para dili ko maglibog, I first identify unsa ang mga given. Okay? So what are the given? Natay given nga displacement, right? We have s is equal to t squared minus t plus 8. Tapos, unsa may gipangita? Velocity and acceleration, right? So if kana ang gipangita, what is the formula to be used? V equals ds over
ds over dt, ma'am.
Yes, and acceleration is d
V.
squared s over dt, or simply dv over dt. Right? Okay, so unsay first na to ang makuhaon?
Ang velocity, ma'am.
Velo, ma'am.
Yes, velocity, right? So sige, let's derive. So s prime is equal to velocity is equal to pila man? Sige, i-derive ninyo ang kuan.
2t
First
minus 1,
derivation.
ma'am. 2t
Okay,
minus
it's 2t minus 1. Unsa unit sa velocity?
ano, ma'am, second. Meter per second.
Yes,
Meter per second.
meter per second. Okay? So, unsa man daw ang ato ang velocity at t is equal to 5. So, simply substitute. Okay? So, t times 5 minus 1, pila man eh?
9
It's
9 up.
9 meters per second. Good. Now, let's solve for acceleration. Meaning, s double prime is equal to v prime is equal to
2,
your
ma'am.
acceleration. Right? So, we have an equation 2t minus 1. Right? So, dito mag-derive na. Kaya mo naman ito ang bag-o. Because this is our velocity and acceleration is the derivative of velocity. So, pila ni? It's
2, ma'am.
2. Unsa man ang ato ang kuan? Unit. Unsa unit sa
Meter per
acceleration?
second.
Meter per
Yes.
second squared.
Meter per second squared. So that is your acceleration. Nakuha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any questions? Sige, silence means yes. So let's have another example.
Ay, ma'am. Kailangan always na dyan nga na ang formula, ma'am. Wala na lain pa. Ano, nga.
Yes, muna siya ang formula gyud sa kuan. Formula sa velocity and acceleration using calculus. Because the concept is, balik ko na ko, velocity, kani just look at this kuan, just look at this table. Kani nga pang gibuhat. The concept is, we are talking, our topic now is kuan, diba, differentiation. Differentiation is about change, rate of change. Okay? So meaning, ang concept lang ay mo ang hinumduman, si velocity is the rate of change of displacement. And acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, which basically means acceleration is the second order derivative of displacement. Nakuha?
Okay pa, ma'am. Thank you pa.
Okay. So let's have another problem. Sige, this time, I want you to solve it on your own. Because more man yatong topic for this afternoon and we still have a lot of time. I will give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay? So I'll write first the problem. Okay, so let me read the problem. The motion of a particle in a plane is given by x equals cos 2t sine 2t meters. Solve for the magnitude of its acceleration at t is equal to 2 seconds. Okay? Solve this the same way as I have done earlier. Find its acceleration. Okay? I will give you 5 minutes. So it's 1:38. I will be back by 1:43. Okay, taas na kayo ng 5 minutes to solve. Okay. It's 1:43. Are you done? Nanay naka-answer? Anyone? Be, manawag ko balik, be. Kaya wala na igatubag. Mga wala na. Gabriela. Gabriela Shane.
Kamulo pa solve, ma'am.
Kamula pag-solve? Aha naman ka nga part sa mong solusyon.
Derive pa, ma'am.
Derive? Sige, kasi naman na din ha. Anyone? Wala nang leave lagi na. Para dili matawag mang leave? Or hinay signal? Angel. Angel Joy. Na nag-answer. 0. Pila mo answer? 378? No. Sige na, ay nag-raise yung hand. Kasi ito nag-raise yung hand. Nawala. Asabel. Asabel.
Ma'am.
Sige, what's your answer?
Hugot ako drive.
Derive pa? Nay, nag-raise ang hand ka ganina. Kinsa to? Na, walay plus points. Kaya walay nag-answer. Blake, Taladuwa.
Akong na-solve, ma'am, kay ang acceleration kay negative 1.12 ms squared.
Negative 1.12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about the others? Is there any other answer dara? Nerson Mozol. Quite close. Doon na mga answer. No mic? Okay. Sige. Nerson, your answer is dool na dool. Dool na sa correct nga answer. Sige, let's solve this together. Kaya ako sa pag-amyon ang question para masigot itong solution. Unsay given na to? Unsay given sa problem?
Cos 2t, sin 2t, ma'am.
So, we were given a displacement na S is equal to cos 2t sin 2t. So, ang gipangita is the acceleration. Naputay given nga time di at t is equal to 2 seconds. So, find acceleration. Therefore, formula to use is d squared s over dt is equal to acceleration. Sige. So, let's first derive the first. Before ta maabot sa acceleration, di ba? Derive sa ta for velocity. So, let's derive it. So, naatay. Ansa man? Ansa gamito na to dire nga theorem?
Power rule o chain rule, ma'am.
Power rule, chain rule. Maura? How about the others?
Product rule, ma'am.
Product rule, yes. So, naatay U, naapod tay V. So, let's write in here ato ang du and dv. Pila tong du?
Negative sign, ma'am.
Negative sign. Mara?
Negative sign 2t.
Negative sign 2t.
2t.
2, ma'am.
It's actually mag-chain rule na kadaan sa imong DU. Okay, so it's negative 2 sine 2t. Okay, kaya naamang kay angle nga 2t sa sulod. So, it's negative 2 sine 2t. How about ang dv?
Cos 2 cos 2t, ma'am.
Yes, 2 cos 2t. So, let's input here. So, mag-kanta, product rule. Okay, so UdV plus VdU. So, cos 2t, UdV is 2 cos 2t. Plus, V na to nga sin 2t, and du na to nga negative 2 sine 2t. Simplify this, it becomes 2 cos squared 2t minus 2 sine squared 2t. Kasi sunod buhaton ani.
Derive pa, ma'am.
Derive pa? Saan mo na ninyo pag-derive? Anyone? Christian Nino. Ano sa sunod buhaton, ani? Christian Nino?
Derive butro, ma'am.
Derive? Derive agad?
I-times sa, ma'am.
Substitute, ma'am.
Substitute?
Chain rule.
Wala o ng square? How? Saan ninyo pag wala sa square, ana?
Power roll, ma'am.
Nerson Mozol says trigo identity. Yes. So again, calculus, dili na siya kay calculus lang, mag-derive lang ka. It's a combination of all the math nga inyo ang naagian na before. Calculus is an application of algebra, trigonometry, geometry, okay? Especially pag word problems. Okay? So dinhi, unsa may identity, unsa may trigo identity di ay nga ma-apply ani? Unsay trigonometric identity nga ma-apply ani? So first, i-simplify sa nato ni. Okay? Pagawas nato ang 2. Kaya naman siya 2 nga tapad, ang duha. So 2, it's a common factor. So 2 cos squared 2t minus sin squared 2t. Now, can you see an identity nga pwede na ito magamit? Can anyone see a trigo identity? Unsa?
Double angle identity, ma'am.
Double angle identity. That's right. Unsa man nga double angle identity? Unsa man na siya nga identity?
Ano, ma'am? Cos 2a equals to cos 2 ay cos square minus sin square, ma'am.
Again, unsa to?
Cos 2x is equals to cos squared minus sin squared, ma'am.
Okay. So, we have a trigonometric identity of double angle, which is cos 2 theta is equal to cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. So, di ba, this one is just this one. Right? Meaning, our equation, before ta mag-derive utro para mas sayon atong kinabuhi, is we can simplify this. May man ni siyang 2 cos 2 theta. Diba? Unsa man atong theta di ay diri?
T, ma'am.
T ang ato ang theta? Unsa atong angle?
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am. 2.
2t.
2 lang? It's
2t.
actually 2 cos
2t.
2 times 2t. Okay? So, naimo na ni siyang 2 cos 4t. t. Right? Meter per second. That's our velocity. Wala man siya nangayo kung pila atong velocity at time 2. Pero you can solve it gihapon. Sige, solve na lang natin ag-appeal. So, pila man na? 2 cos 4 times, pila ato ang t? 2. So, na mong 8. Pila man na? Velocity is negative pila? Calculate it.
0.29 ma'am.
Yes, 0.29 meter per second. Mo na itong velocity. Okay? Karon, let's solve for the acceleration. Kaya acceleration na nang gipangita. So, unsa man ang atong solution for acceleration? We will what?
Derive ma'am ang kanang velocity.
Unsa ato ang i-derive?
Kanang
Ani ang ato i-derive?
2 cos 40 ma'am.
Yes. Sakto. So, i-derive na to ang 2 cos 4t. So, let's move this solution sa ibabaw para natin more room for solution. So, our acceleration is deriving 2 cos 4t. Okay? So, unsa man ni pag-derive? What are we gonna use sa derivation?
Chain rule ma'am.
Chain rule, unsa pa?
Product rules at ma'am.
Yes, product rule again because as you can see, 'di ba? Naka multiply ang duha. Okay? Sige. So, again, we have u and then we have v. So, pila atong du?
0 ma'am.
0. Ang ato ang dv,
Negative sine 4t ma'am. 4.
it's negative 4 sine 4t. Okay? So, sige, let's derive it. u dv plus v du. Okay, so we have u times dv na to, negative 4 sine 4t plus v nga cos 4t times dv nga 0. So, kani, wala na na. Therefore, acceleration na to nga equation is negative 8 sine 4t meter per second squared. Gipangayo is acceleration at 2 seconds. So, substitute. May mo siyang negative 8 sine 4 times 2 meter per second squared. So, pila man karon ang ato ang acceleration?
Negative 7.991 meter per second squared ma'am.
Okay, so negative 7.915 meter per second squared or 7.92. Okay, so for me, preference lang nako ni siya ever since college. Dili lang kay duha ka decimal point akong ginasulat. Sa una gali, especially pag when we solve manggod for iterations na dayon, pag mag-abot na mo sa subject nga ano ni siya, oy, kanang kalimut ko. Power basta transmission line. Nakalimut ko sa topic. DE pod also in second year. DE kanang mag-solve mo for iterations. Applicable man na siya sa power system. There na remember na nako. Power system, it can involves kanang iteration. Dili na kay siya complicated nga calculus and everything pero kuti siya, kuti. And that's the topic nga differential equation, which is also my subject in second year nga mga students. So, kana siya, every point is important. So, as many decimal points as you can para mas accurate ang inyong results. So, for now, I suggest you use 3 decimal points in your answer. Okay? Para makita gid ninyo ang iyahag yung value kay basin niya og kuan kanang masayop mo sa uban. So even here, kung let's say dire na ay instances siguro sa future pa ni siya nga mga word problems. If naay instances nga i-substitute ninyo ang value nga previously ninyo gisolve sa another equation, then it's really important nga accurate ang inyong gamiton nga value. So I suggest okay raman ang 2 pero much better kung 3 decimal points. Okay? So mo ni siya tong lesson 4, acceleration and velocity nga topic. So it means nagi word problem. So naay mga inani nga problems mo gawa sa midterm. Nasabtan? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nakuha ra? Nasabtan ra?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige, last example. Extend lang tagamay. Last example. This is going back sa lesson nga high order derivative. Ang maka-answer ani tagaan ako plus points. Wait na, kadili siya magana. So, high order derivative. This example is from the review book nga mong gigamit during the board exam. So, 4x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 36. This is already, kuha siya, kanang mag-plus points ko ani kay this is lesson nga i-discuss na ko tomorrow. Okay? This is actually implicit. The topic for tomorrow is implicit differentiation. And related rates. Of differentiation. Or related rates lang. So, kani, this is an example of a function that you need to implicitly differentiate. Okay? So, find d squared y over dx squared. Sige. Ang makahatag sa kuha og answer by magatag lang kog time. 2:15. Ay, 2:10 na lang. At 2:10 p.m. I-submit sa ako Di naman siguro mo, taas man siya nga problem. So, dili naman siguro mo makakinopyahay pa ana. At 2:10 lang ha, magatag ko og 10 points. Additional 10 points sa quiz. Sa inyong pre-fi. Whatever your score, in pre-fi. Okay, para mabawi inyong grado. So, kung kinsa ito makahatag sa ako og answer ani nga problem today, 2:10 p.m. tagaan ako plus 10 points in pre-fi. Okay? So, isend sa ako i-PM. So, it's a long problem. So, I doubt nga makakinopyaha pa mo within 9 minutes na lang. Just 10 minutes lang. 10 minutes. Okay? Because plus 10. Ang price get plus 10. Okay? Are there any questions? Any questions? We'll dismiss na. Wala na? Hello? Are you still there?
Kana, ma'am, bakit no?
Yan, ma'am.
Problem sa left side. Left top
Unsa?
left. Kana na problem sa top left, ma'am ba?
Yes. Kani nga problem.
Okay po, ma'am.
Find the second order derivative of this. So, this is actually a topic for tomorrow. So, if naka-review na mo ani beforehand, then maka-answer mo ani. Okay? Sige, that's it. Hulatan ako ang mag-send sa kuha by 2:10 p.m. Makaparo man na. So, no more questions? Last call. No more questions anymore? Sige, silence means yes. That's it for this afternoon.